Within Jarvis OpenCall 1, the ARIES pilot brought together Athena Research Center, Castalia and IPTO and to improve inspection of high-voltage substations. The project developed a VR-enhanced robotic inspection workflow that helps experts inspect live electrical infrastructure remotely, reducing exposure while supporting faster condition-based maintenance. Traditionally, inspection experts had to travel to the substation, enter the live high-voltage area and manually scan electrical components with thermal equipment. With ARIES, the operator remains in a safer location and supervises the inspection remotely through a VR interface. The robot moves inside the substation, captures visual and thermal evidence, and supports faster assessment through live video, component information and a minimap of its position. The final prototype combines a mobile inspection robot with a VR operator interface. In the demonstration, the operator wears a VR headset and supervises the robot from a safe location. The robot moves inside the high-voltage substation, while the operator follows its surroundings through a live 360-degree video feed. The system was tested in IPTO's extra high-voltage center environment through 3 scenarios: user familiarization, routine inspection and emergency remote fault assessment. These scenarios demonstrated the full workflow, from remote robot operation to visual and thermal evidence collection, showing how expert inspection can be supported without requiring the operator to enter the live inspection area. The interface provides a minimap showing the robot's position, waypoint controls, component information and optical and thermal inspection views. The operator can orient the robot, navigate towards selected electrical components, inspect them visually and thermally, and confirm that useful inspection evidence has been acquired. ARIES integrated the Jarvis digital representation tool as a top-down minimap and virtual environment. The tool was adapted to show the robot's position and orientation within the substation and was streamed into the VR interface during operation. This improved situational awareness in a complex industrial environment and validated the Jarvis technology in a new high-voltage infrastructure use case. By the end of the program, ARIES reached TRL7 field validation in a representative IPTO environment. The tested remote workflows achieved a 100% reduction in operator exposure to the live inspection area. Routine inspection was completed in around 25 minutes, while emergency remote fault assessment was completed in around 7.2 minutes. The user study on 11 operators also showed positive acceptance, with an operator acceptance score of 72%. Overall, the pilot demonstrated safer inspection, faster assessment and a practical route towards more frequent, data-driven maintenance of critical electricity infrastructure. Future efforts will focus on productizing this solution for other safety-critical sectors.